How to get voice chat on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of enabling voice chat on Roblox. If you have found this instructional guide helpful, I kindly ask you to consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Now let's dive right into the steps. Firstly, you need to launch the Roblox application or visit the Roblox website on either your computer or your mobile device. This method works seamlessly on both platforms. Next, navigate to the top right corner of the Roblox interface and click on the gear icon, which will lead you to the settings section. Within the settings, locate the account info tab, and this step can be replicated on your mobile device as well. Simply tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the page and scroll down until you find the Optimus settings. Click on Account Info, and by following the steps, you will reach the page where you can activate the voice chat on the Roblox. To proceed further, you will need to verify your age. To access the voice chat on Roblox, users must be at least 13 years old. As I am above the age requirement, I proceed with the age verification process. Upon initiating the verification, you will encounter an identity verification prompt. Prepare a valid ID and ensure that you have a smartphone ready for the next steps. You can scan the QR code using your camera app, and if your camera app does not support QR code scanning, consider downloading a QR code scanner app from your respective app store. I use my camera to scan the QR code, and once scanned, a link will appear which will redirect you to the verification page. On this page, you will be prompted to provide a valid government-issued ID. Ensure proper lighting and be prepared to take a selfie along with the photos of your ID. After granting camera access, take a photo of the document's photo page, and it is crucial to blur sensitive information for privacy reasons. Following this, take a selfie as a part of the verification process, and the system will automatically process the images. Rest assured that Roblox follows stringent security measures ensuring the safety of your personal information. Within seconds, your age will be verified, allowing you to proceed, and you can now return to the device and close the verification page. Your age has been successfully verified, granting you to access the voice chat on Roblox. To enable the voice chat, navigate to the privacy settings on the left-hand side of the screen. It may require a moment to load, and you may need to refresh the page. Look for the beta features section at the top where you will find the option to enable the voice chat. Toggle the switch to activate the voice chat, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Enable. A success message will confirm the activation, and with voice chat enabled, you can now join a Roblox game and experience the feature firsthand. Not all games on Roblox support voice chat, but some do. As you enter a game, you will notice a microphone icon above your character. Unmute yourself to start communicating with other players. If you encounter any issues, check your audio settings by pausing the game, accessing settings, and ensuring the correct input and output devices are selected. By following the simple steps, you can seamlessly enjoy the voice chat on the Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.